Yo, how is everybody doing? Gustavo, Matt Flint, Sherm, Bearish Bull, Stack, Aura, Crypto Chemist, Long and Short, Steve, Ed, Steve Mills. How is everybody doing this wonderful afternoon? Flying Pop, WSC over on Twitch. How are you guys doing? So, today we're going to get into a little bit of a trade review or a trade room review where we had over 80% of our members that were trading live, and this is over 70 people trading live in this live trade room, trade profitable today. That to me is just amazing, showing us the keys that everyone is getting to unlock the future, right? To unlock their future, take control of their time, right? Which was what this is all about, this time to value. The trade vets. Unacceptable, no hat. You want me to have a hat? I'll get a hat for you, bro. Just for you. Oh, I got a new one too. Gold. Just when I have the hat on, it gets me that shadow. You know what I mean? So it's like can't see my eyes. So yeah, I'll put it back like this, then we could see. There's the hat. I gotta get better lighting, I think that's what it is. Look at those luscious locks, bro. Yeah, I got my slick back on, bro. Got that Fury haircut, that side shave, that slick back. But I can see I got it. Once I get the better lighting, then I'll go back to the hat. But until then, we gotta. Oh, and guys, I just wanna see the styles that we're prepping. Right, so we got the gold and the black. We got the camo and the gold. This is my favorite one. We got the classic black and white. We got that stay fresh black and gray. Right, that shit looks nice with the green bill. Right, can't tell it's green because of the screen, but it's green. And we got that bright red. And then last but not least, we got that dark camo. So it's kind of camo. It's kind of hard to see it. You can kind of see it right there. You got that dark camo and the gold. I put the gold on a lot of my hats. Yo, Marcin, thank you, man. Thank you. That's awesome. Really appreciate it, bro. Kadra Jart. I probably butchered your name. I'm sorry, but thank you for subscribing. Yo, long and short. Oh, did I already get? Let's see where I'm at. I got a haircut yesterday. Where's C137? He stepped down. He's taking a break. Get soft boxes. I'm gonna hit you up, Ferdy, and see what the deal is. I got a couple of tips from some people. Gray Wonder wants the gray hat. A Trump hat? No. That's a Trade Vets hat. Mark Elliott, what's up? Yeah, Marcin, I'm glad you caught that long. Bitcoin's still running on us, so that's nice. Yeah, he's good. He's doing good. He's still around. He's just learning, Didn't want to be on the camera anymore. Didn't want to be on the stream, so still learning. He's good though. Mad Cats, what's up? So enough of my ugly face. Let's get into these charts. So we caught some nice trades today on a lot of things, actually. The main thing being this bad boy right here. This big move right here. We were able to capture this live in the trade room. We saw it pop up right here. We saw it getting ready, value shifting up. We decided to snag some options. We got them at 0.13, right? So for $13. And if you look at them right now, if you were to go look at these, and these are, here, I'll pull this bad boy up. They're worth 94 cents right now, so 94 bucks a piece. So if we were to, do a little bit of math on that, that's 723% gain. We got in at 13. I called it out live in the live trade room. So for those of you guys that were in there, you remember I told you how much I was getting them for. Got them for 13 bucks, and it's still running. I've closed out half of them, and I'm gonna let half of them run. Can you turn up the mic? Can you guys not hear me well? I should be good. Maybe I'll just sit a little bit closer. I'm at work and I'm trying to listen to headphones, but they're loud as they go. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Did something happen to him? No. No. Mad Cats, you jumped on that AAL one? Hell yeah, bro. Good shit. Good shit. I'm glad some other people are jumping on the mic or the options with me. Options. Nimrez, my strategy on the VWAP. What do you mean? What do I look for in the VWAP? So when I'm looking at the VWAP, let me pull over EXO charts real quick. So when I'm looking at the VWAP, right, which is way down here, all the VWAP is telling me is that's the scorecard, right? If we're above the VWAP, that means that buyers are in control. If we're below the VWAP, that means that sellers are in control. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. Is there a delay on the stream? I mean, a little bit. If you go on Twitch, there's not. You could turn the knob. Pretty man, I need you at my house to fucking help me. Okay. Bitcoin's still going, guys. We're still getting a nice little run. Before we jump into crypto though, so let me explain something to you guys real quick. The reason that we're able to catch these plays is because we're not worried about price. We're not worried about news even, right? I'm not even paying attention to news. The only reason I even knew about the ETH fork is because my uncle told me about it and Alex told me about it, and that was it. But you see that value building right here, right? So these are the value areas, these green levels, these are the value areas. And we saw this break up out of value area and we decided, okay, it's game time. Let's get long, right? And we bought $20 calls, right? So $20 calls. We popped up in the morning. We're up about 9% off the bat. We're kind of hanging out right here. And I said, we need to get up to 20. That's when we'll get in the money. And then boom, we just took off like a rocket ship, right? Like an airplane, because this is American Airlines. You know, I don't know if there was some news involved with this. You know, I'm really not sure. I just know that we were ready for it and we caught it. That's what it was all about. On the ES, we traded pretty good today. We had a nice call overnight. So for those of you guys that let me get rid of this. We had a nice call overnight. So I put out a couple of, or one play on the ES, which was just to catch this short right here. I said if we break this 43.98, we can target the, what I say, 97.50 and then the 94, right? We came right back down to it. So it was a nice easy play. That was a fire and forget play. I'm not a huge fan of those fire and forget plays, but you know, not a bad idea. And you can see this happened at 907. I put this out. 96.50 was what it was, and then take profit 2 was at 94. And we can see that this happened at 3 o'clock in the morning, right? Which is actually 3 hours behind. So because this is in Eastern time, this thing down here. But this morning we're putting in this poor high, or this afternoon we're putting in this poor high to kind of go along with the poor high at that same level. The buyers really look like they need to break out right here. They kind of look like they want to. I don't have my trading chart open, so I'm probably going to miss this trade, but looks like some opportunity. So we're seeing some pretty bullish momentum from the market. We see the American Airlines nice little pop up into value. All right, let's get into some crypto. Could you go over your settings for NinjaTrader session times? Where you go? I'm gonna put that video out, yeah, and I'll send it to you, Steve, in the Discord. I got it. I can do it right now. Trading hours, split. But basically, this is what they need to look like if you want to match mine. So I just have I'm on the West Coast, but I have it set up to be on the East Coast. And these are the session split times, and this will split it perfectly. So you just have to go in there and make a new one. But it splits the ES or all of the futures from your regular cash session to your Globex session, right? So you messaged me, right, Steve, on Discord? What was your Discord name? Steve. Here it is, bro. Got you. My bad. Guys, I get a lot of messages, so if I don't respond to you, just remind me. Like, I swear I'm not trying to ignore anybody at all. So try to get back to everybody as much as I can. But if I say I'm gonna do something and I forget, just remind me. Don't feel like you're bothering me at all. Like, it's just because I forgot. You know, so I know that I got a scatterbrain, so don't worry about that at all. Seeing a little bit of, so let's head over to crypto. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback. A little bit of a pullback on Bitcoin. Not too bad. Look, we got all the way up to that 375, 41,375. Yeah, Alex, for sure, man. Dave, what's up, dog? Yeah, I just have like kind of a lot going on sometimes, and I just forget. So, but yeah, just hit me up, let me know, be like, yo, you forgot about me, what's up? And I'll get it done for sure. I'm gonna pop out the chat, that way I can see the chat without having to look up. If you guys want more information like this, or if you are new to the stream, scroll down, join the Discord, and introduce yourself, and we will hook you up. As you guys are scrolling down, if you guys could do me a quick favor and like and subscribe, click that notification bell so you get all the notifications when we go live. I also post them in the Discord so everyone gets the update. Try to figure out how to do it with the bot, but the bot's not my friend, so what can you do? But yeah, so we actually caught some other nice plays as well. Link went up to this one. Put on 10. Is that from overnight? Did this play get triggered? I don't think so. Wrong Discord. Yeah, let's go back to Bitcoin. All right, so in the live trade room today, we had set up some plays where we were looking to get long on Bitcoin and ETH, right? I can't remember the exact numbers. I'm pretty sure it was like, this is actually after. We got long from like down here. pretty sure this was our level right here. Was this 38,275 was our level. You took the LTC long, but Bitcoin took a 700 point dump and ruined it by correlation. Damn. Oh, just now? Yeah, that's the thing about Bitcoin's actually starting to gain some of its dominance back now that it's actually moving, because it did a nice I mean, this is like your standard Bitcoin move right here, right? This is what we like. This is what we look for. So that's the thing, is if if Bitcoin's moving, then we just trade, get on that Bitcoin and that ETH train. We also took a nice ETH trade today. So the members of the live trade room actually traded this better than me, to be honest with you guys. I fumble rooskied this bad boy. The fucking things. There we go. So we got in right here, break a structure, and as it was coming up, I was saying, oh, I'm just gonna put my stop loss at 27.25 and let this thing breathe, right? I had taken my first take profit, my second take profit, and I was just gonna let it breathe. And then next thing I know, I'm over here looking at these options plays, and ETH is just up here. I heard 50 cent go off, and I'm thinking, oh shit, are you kidding me? And then boom, we just hit that nice rocket, and now we see ETH trying to build some more value up here. So value is just shifting on up. We're looking good. And you got a couple chances to get back into this trade too. A lot of people did. What's the other one that I was looking at? Yeah, I think it was Link. What did it get up to? 24, 23. Discord app. Oh no, that's what it was. It was BNB. Might switch over to trade ETH instead of BTC. Swear, everyone. I've been feeling it for sure. Yeah, so we hit all of our take profits. So here's these are the trades from the actual from the actual, like, the market analysis planning, right? So we were looking for that long on BNB, hit all the way up to 40. So nice little BNB. Another one that I took was the ADA trade. But the ADA, I moved my stop into profit because I wasn't sold on it. It did go up to 140. So it hit both of our first take profits, but I'm not sure on that trade. I don't have my iPad open right now. But here's our entry. All right, we're just getting in these trades, right? Our entry was actually 38.84. So we got in down here. 940 was our first take, or 933 was our first take profit. 85 was our second take profit. So nice little trade. XRP short didn't show up. The Litecoin trade, is that what you were saying, Mad Cats? You took that LTC trade. Did it fumble risky on us? Where did it go? Let's see. We did a long 144.45. I didn't actually get in this trade because I was getting ready for the stream and it was taking forever. 44. Oh yeah, it kind of died up here. We were looking for 145. Yeah, this thing kind of died. I guess I got kind of lucky on that one because I was preparing for the stream, making that thumbnail. What'd you guys think about that thumbnail? Let me hear it in the let me hear it on the chat. What do you guys think about that thumbnail? Dumb? Cool? My stops? So with ADA, right? With both of them, because with both of them, when they hit the entry price that I was looking for, they kind of pulled back, right? X bar pulled back, and then it finally went. So I was just holding my stop below in the structure. That's all I was doing. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I mean, you had to be patient on those ones for sure. I was more focused on that BTC trade, and then I, got the alert. Um, you need to make the crypto face. I don't know who that is. Oh, yeah, do it. I could look it up. Is it like a dumbass face or what? My face is more like, you know, what do you? We got a team full of killers out here. Not fucking, you know, no fake shit in here. That's the look I'm going for. I feel like I'm swearing a lot today. I need to clean it up. And then on BNB, it was on BNB you just had to be patient. But BNB kind of took off. It gave us a nice opportunity. So it pulled up, and then when it pulled back, it gave us a good opportunity to get back in, and then it kind of ran off. But I mean, so you just base them off of structure, right? So if you if you're looking for the entry on BNB, we were looking for this 36 level, right? So we were looking to break these tops, but this it breaks and then it pulls back and then it goes. So you're looking to put your stop somewhere down here, right? So if it hits our level, you shouldn't be just limiting unless you're at your computer, right? And you're looking at that level and you're seeing some good volume come in, things like that, right? Things that are things that are giving you your reasons, right? The things we talk about in the boot camp, the reasons why you want to be in the trade, right? If you see those, then yeah, but the levels that I post, that's why we call it market analysis, because those are the levels that I'm looking at to get long, right? I'm definitely not just leaving any, I'm definitely not leaving any like limit orders in. I don't like to do that. I did that with the ES last night. But I definitely don't like to do that. If you do that, one, you've got to make sure if you're on Bybit, make sure you have a stop. And then two, you're just going to have to use that first take profit. So let's say if you were to get that LTC trade, right? Or I guess we're on BNB right now. So let's just do the BNB trade. If you were to go for that BNB trade, you would have to make sure you'd set your stop according to structure. But the thing is a lot of times when I'm posting these, like I posted that at 9:30, so I posted that when we were down here, right? So there's structure down here. So if the entrance is up here, your stop needs to go here, so you can put all of these things in, and then just make sure when you're taking profit on the first take profit, because the first take profit that I post is the one that I'm really targeting, and then other than that, it's just icing on the cake. Basically, we're just looking for a little bit of juice, a little bit of extra sugar for the lemonade, right? So it's not too sour. Joking, obviously, that ain't Brad's style. I like to joke, man. I like to joke. Look at my shirt. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Oh, you guys see this? Michael Scott's Dunder Mifflin, Scranton, Meredith, Palmer, Memorial Celebrity, Rabies Awareness Pro-Am Fun Run Race for the Cure. Who knows what that's about? That's what I'm all about, bro. The Office. Sometimes I feel like my stop loss is much further than my take profit, where if I get my stop loss, I lose much more often than I gain when I win. That is a great episode. Yeah, it is. I mean, Jens, it's just, it's gonna be like a matter of feel. You know what I mean? Honestly, like if I was at the computer, so I'd made, if I was at the computer, I think that this would have been a better entry down here, right? Because you could have put your stop loss right below the POC. So definitely could have been a better entry, but I was just basing it off of more of a safer trade for me. Because I knew if we broke this top of structure up here that we were going to get a nice little pop. We ended up doing that. Right? I was just kind of counting on breaking this value area high. If we did, we had these stops kind of lined up for us. But I mean, you had some good structure build. We popped, good structure built again. We popped. We had a little pullback, but then popped up again. I mean, and you can always wait for your entry and then just put your stop right below the bar. You know that's where everyone else's stops are at anyway. So if they're gonna get hit, they're gonna get hit. It's just yeah. I mean, I guess it just takes time, and then depends on what you're wanting to do. I took all these trades on my small account, my challenge account. So I gotta tally that up and update it here pretty soon. That Bitcoin gain though, that thing just went. This is like a classic Bitcoin mover right here. That was nice. Izzy, you like that thumbnail? Nice. That is extremely ridiculous looking. Don't do what? What are you talking about, Ed? Oh, the MM crypto face? Or the crypto, yeah, MM crypto face. It's a BJ face. Yeah. Yeah, The Office is my favorite show. My wife's actually from Scranton, so I've been to that building. It's actually a dentist office in real life. Cool. How's the quality look? Oh, okay, never mind. I just had mine on like 360. I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, or the dumb all caps titles on YouTube. Is mine on all caps? Oh no. Mine says how to eat, I think. How to eat. Yeah, because we all ate today, right? Oh, I was supposed to say eat fork, or yeah, crypto fork, how to eat. Oh well. What can you do? Yeah, I think now we probably just give it a rest. The market's about to close. Let's see where it's gonna close. Oh look, we ran those stops. If anyone caught those, congrats. No matter of time, we repaired that poor high, getting some nice excess. Make this a little bit bigger and take a peek. Where's our next level up here? Getting close. Another poor high up here as well. 5 minutes till the market closes. You know what probably happened right here? So typically, there's a market correction towards the end of the day because everyone, right? We see inventory is pretty much just long all day. And probably what happened was when we put in this poor high again, you got a lot of retail traders shorting, trading past the time that they should trade, right? Because the retail trader shouldn't be trading within the last 15 minutes of the market close. So they shorted, and then you know who showed up? Pac-Man. He said, "Give me those dots, son." And then just, murdered the retail trader because they don't know what they're doing because they're not trading on a TPO, right? But if had they been trading on a TPO, they would have known. Because if we look at this on a candlestick chart, guys, so if we duplicate this in a new tab, all right, and we look at this on a candlestick chart, let's go like this. Turn the candlesticks on. See, I have them off like they're on transparent because I don't want to see candlesticks at all. Red, green. Okay. Oh, let's make them a little bit wider. Those are ugly. Bar width. Let's do 4. 4 is a good number. Okay. So here's what happens, right? The spacing at. Well, look at it just trying to go. Spacing. Let's just make them all look cleaner. There we go. So what happens here is retail traders, they see this top and they're like, oh, double top, right? And they're thinking, oh, M pattern, I'm in there, short, right? And they're short, right? They probably shorted here, probably shorted some more here, probably shorted again here, and then got their head ripped off, right? Because they're not paying attention to structure, because they know that we're not forming an M here. We're just putting in structure back in value, right? We had value there before, came back up to the same spot, put in some value, and then ran it up, right? We had a poor high, you know, and this is just your classic tank battle right here. This tank is bigger, badder, and blew this one up, and then, you know, boom, boom goes the dynamite. This guy just launches up to the upside, breaking poor highs all day. Right, and that's what it would look like on a candlestick chart. But that's the thing, is that get a lot of retail traders that are trading on a candlestick chart. Look at this thing just run. I think this is all-time highs, guys. Pretty sure it is. Let's ask my boy on Twitter. He should know. Where's he at? Where is he at? People want me to start tweeting more, but he hasn't said anything. Come on, Walter. Get your shit together. It looks so clear on the ES. LTC's doing something right now. They're gonna give us a nice little entry or no? Oh, it's doing the same thing right now. Oh, okay, my bad. I was confused. John Brennan, hi. How is it going? You know, so like this is the difference, is we're looking at this and people are thinking, oh guys, these guys are crazy. They don't know what they're doing. They're just guessing. They're looking at some secret code, right? But we're just looking at pure market structure. Right? We know that this is a structure over here. Get some nice structure over here. Structure. We had a poor high from there. All right, tank battle, pop the top. That's it. Oh, that's all she wrote. Right, had this poor high back here. We marked it. We went right to it. Clockwork. So yeah, that's pretty good. I like that. Should have took the trade. That would have been nice, huh? But we had a great day today. Look at these American Airlines calls. My gosh. And these were dailies, guys. They were so cheap. 94 bucks now. 94 bucks a piece. 700% gain. What a gain. Do I have anybody new in the chat? If you're new, scroll down and find that Discord link, join the Discord and say hello. Introduce yourself, or just come on the chat, introduce yourself, say hello. And then next Monday, we're going to be doing a intro to options class. People that don't really know about options or haven't got a chance to mess around with them, we are going to be looking for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to get in, do a nice little recap, you know, shout you guys out for trading so well today. You know, it makes me really happy to see you guys are grasping the structure and understanding the actual process of the market and how it's an auction and not just buyers and sellers, and more buyers make the market go up or more sellers make the market go down. It's just not that simple. You know, it'd be easy if it was, and you just look at the volumes and you know, everyone would make money, but it's really just, it's just not that simple. But you know, for our trade vets, good stuff. And you know, I will catch you guys later. I'll be releasing some videos. Hopefully by tonight they'll be approved and they'll post. Takes like a little bit sometimes. But you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Get that time to value. I think I'm gonna take my kids to the park for a little bit. They are itching for some outside time, and you know, we're gonna maybe go have a little picnic or something. Bayo, what's up, man? But yeah, you guys have a wonderful time, and I'll catch you guys all in the Discord.